Oh yes, E-King Fight News back at it, and we're talking ESPN's broadcast of the highly anticipated Vasyl Lomachenko versus Guillermo El Chacal Rigondeaux. This fight has a lot on the line. Not only is Guillermo Rigondeaux's 122-pound championship at stake for him, because if he loses his title. But Vasyl Lomachenko's WBO title at 130 pounds is also on the line. And, winning is Rigo's only option. Headline at boxing scene. Loma RIGO, ESPN announced team, Tessitore, Kriegel, and Tim Bradley. So there you go. List off of the broadcast team to be replaced by this Mark Kriegel, who will be calling the fight with Joe Tessitore. Tim Bradley's the guest analyst. Bernardo Asuno will be on location along with Stephen A. Smith. That's going to be a very interesting broadcast team. Teddy Atlas, whether he pulled himself off or ESPN decided to pull him, I actually believe that's the correct decision. I think that's an awesome decision. It's something you'd never see, say, HBO do with a guy like Jim Lampley. You'd never see that. But in this case, whoever's in charge of ESPN, they got it right. They got it right, and ESPN has removed Teddy Atlas from the broadcast team. And what would predictably be an incredibly biased Teddy Atlas. Teddy Atlas who, in front of Terrence Crawford and Andre Ward, proclaimed Vasyl Lomachenko the #1 pound-for-pound fighter in the world. It's really hard to not be biased. And in front of a clear #1 pound-for-pound fighter in Andre Ward, give that title to Vasyl Lomachenko. To me, that is a stunning feat in and of itself. To do that in front of Andre Ward. Teddy Atlas did it like it was nothing. So, obviously, he has his own opinions of what the pound-for-pound best looks like and should look like. And, obviously, he respects. He has a great respect for the skill and ability of Vasyl Lomachenko. And you know what? I just hope Teddy Atlas agrees with this whole situation and he consented to it. Because it would be a shame if Teddy Atlas, had this chance to call such a historic fight and he couldn't do it due to his own personal beliefs. That would, I would feel for him if that was the case. But if he rose to the occasion as a journalist and said, you know what, I shouldn't be calling this fight, I would definitely have a greater appreciation for Teddy Atlas as an individual and as a boxing commentator. But that's just my take on it. I'm not sure if this was like a head executive ESPN decision or if it was Teddy Atlas volunteering to get pulled from the card. It really is hard to say, but in either case, there's your broadcast team. Teddy Atlas replaced by Mark Kriegel, and we still have Tim Bradley calling the fight. So this will be a very hotly anticipated fight, and the commentary is going to be very important. That's going to be the first voice you hear when the bell rings. So ESPN, credit to them. They want to make sure they're going to get it right, and they're not going to have another fucking Manny Pacquiao versus Tim Bradley situation with Jim Lampley. So excellent decision making over there at ESPN. Teddy Atlas will be replaced by Mark Kriegel. E-King Fight News, man. It's subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, you know what it is.